Hi, in front of me is REALME X2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can customize keyboard's theme on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Additional Settings. Then Keyboard and Input Method, your current keyboard, in my case Gboard, and Theme. Over here you can click on the plus sign under My Themes and select a photo, for example, that one. Now you can pinch to scale and drag it to move. When you're done, click Next. Adjust brightness and tap Done. Lastly, click on the switcher next to keyboards to enable or disable them, and when you're done, click Apply. Now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!